Siargao curse. We usually see or hear this from people who've been to Siargao or even locals. What is there in this island? Why is there such thing as Siargao curse? The sea? The trees? Its people? I'm sure there's a lot more. And yup, Siargao curse is true. Previously on our Siargao vlog.
Nag-uti agad.
Nakakit lang ako sa side. Mukha niya hindi mo alam. Nakaganan yung mo.
Yung 500 is consumable for food items.
Okay.
And the other 500 is full fee. So, it comes with towel naman po siya and then sunblock and sun.
Order na lang tayo ng isang espresso de condensada tapos salted caramel para matikman natin.
Hindi po siya mahal.
Siargao recommendation. Masarap yung kay Enemy.
Sino kumuha niyan?
Enemy, what's yours again?
It's horchata.
Sarap guys. Ito. Parang medyo cinnamon kinamero siya. It's already 11:22 a.m. I think medyo late na kami for Sugba Lagoon. Pero we are still gonna be pushing through. Nag-rent lang ulit kami ng car from Yasis. 2,000 siya for 24 hours. Tapos self-drive na siya. Also, buti nag-DIY kami all throughout our tour kasi hindi namin kinayang gumising ng maaga. Kaya nalilate kami sa mga itinerary or agendas namin for the day. So far, okay naman. Yun nga lang, sana mahabol namin si Sugba Lagoon. Kasi, I believe mga 3 p.m. daw is closed na siya. Medyo malayo siya. Parang 40 kilometers away. Pero we'll try. Let's go.
Back. Oh, yes. Woo! To the left, to the right.
Once you...
Roll over. No, no. Yeah.
Pagka-ahon ko, nawala.
Exciting!
Naglalakita na mga Insta. Hey guys, time check, 12:37 na. So after 1 hour yata na biyahe namin from General Luna, we have reached Del Carmen. So dito kami sasakay sa port nila going to Sugba Lagoon. And nagpark lang kami dito sa tindahan. And it's 150 pesos. Mahal talaga pero wala kaming choice. Update, nag-register kami. Tapos, we will be getting 2 boats. Though, di kasi kami kasya sa isang boat.
Group yourself into 2.
Hi, girls, boys!
Hi, girls, boys!
Sa wakas.
Del Carmen offers lots of tours, but since our time and budget are limited, we got Tour A for 2,150 pesos for the boat rental, maximum of 6 packs. And after a 45-minute boat ride,
Good afternoon, ma'am! Welcome to Sugba Lagoon, mabuhay!
emerald waters surrounded by the equally beautiful Del Carmen Mangrove Reserve and mountains. Here you can do a variety of aquatic activities like stand-up paddle boarding, kayaking, but we really went here for the cliff jumping. This is Sugba Lagoon.
Partner nyo, so ito sila.
50 pesos each. Eh, talaga kasama
Cute.
Uy, sarap!
Kaya tayo ng kain. Pork barbecue. Isa ng pork. Ang pag-usapot.
Guard ba ito?
This is the coconut tree something Kinemaru. Tapos may mga kuyas dyan na nag-human drone. Wala naman siyang bayad, guys. Ay, paano?
Ikaw magtakip, sir.
Ah, yan. Hey guys, so we are back at General Luna. So, ginabi na kami since nagtagal kami ng medyo sa Sugba and then dumaan pa kami ng Coconut Mount View deck. Tonight, we are gonna be having our dinner at La Mesa and it's just along Tourism Road. Also, hindi namin sure kung magpa-party pa kami tonight pero baka mag-chill na lang kami or coffee, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ko na pero nirent namin tong car from Yasis kay Tito Ray. So, yun. Yung may-ari ng Yasis, sabi niya. Hindi na ako tawaging sir or kuya. Tito Ray na lang daw. So, yun. Thank you so much, Tito Ray. Sobrang bait niya, guys. Sa kanya kami nag-rent ng car for 2,000. 24 hours na yun. What's your name? Ano pa name niya?
White dish po.
Hello! Anong breed po na to?
White dish.
White dish. May
Sa Instagram, check nyo po.
may baby togo.
Garlic buttered shrimp with bread. Wala nga lang siyang kasama rice. What's yours?
Slow cook more pwede pahingi yung ano sa
Uy, si Richie.
Wait lang, Kel. Dalawa yung
Drama is
sinundan.
good for the vlog.
Drama is good.
May
Dalawa na
nasugatan.
Sinit.
Ayun pa, may nasugatan. Ito naman.
May flight na inaayos.
Ikaw, anong ano mo ngayon? Kailangan natin ng drama.
Sunburn.
Sunburn. Ay, grabe.
Yung complimentary ayusin.
Ano yan, Jason ba din? Oreo, salted. Bisco. Sarap ng salted talaga eh.
The next day.
Guys, I am wearing the same swimwear as yesterday. Kasi hindi ko siya na-maximize, sayang naman. And umaga ko lang siya nagamit, breakfast lang. So, don't judge. Let's try. Ay! 50-50 iced coffee. Ito daw yung best seller nila.
Ang sarap! Dapat tinry ko! Yun ang naiyak! Kaya pwede pa, no?
Ang sarap din!
Ang tapang pero creamy pa din. Chocolate na siya.
Parang more on chocolate siya. Cocoa kasi siya na meron. Pero may pait pa rin. So,
Dapat nakugat ka na lang.
Sarap buhay. Hoy! Ba't ganyan?
Nakaganyan ka lang?
Ayaw ka niya?
struggle is real.
Pakita nga insan.
We are back at PAYAG. Hindi na ata ako nakapag-update sa inyo. But basically, all we did today, nag-breakfast kami sa Sunday at Villa Cali. Tapos, since may full access siya, once you reach 300 pesos per pax, pwede na kayo mag-swimming. Right now, we've decided to roam around General Luna. And also, hindi ko na na-update kahapon. Napaganda yung flight namin. Our flight was actually delayed, pero it was a better situation since dapat uwi na namin tomorrow morning, going to Cebu at 7 a.m. Na-move yung flight namin from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tapos, napaganda pa because straight flight na siya to Manila. So, hindi na kami magle-layover pa sa Cebu, which is better. Thank you pa. Napaganda pa.
City princesses, island princesses. Galing naman ni Boss D mag-drive. Ba talaga si Boss D?
1:51 p.m. and we are currently at Siargao Corner Cafe. Dapat magpa-froyo kami, but unfortunately, closed siya. Also, mag-white beard din kami, kaso aga niya pala nagsasara on a Sunday. Half day lang sila. Oh, mermaid!
How's the coffee?
This is Vietnamese coffee. Sabi ni Nico, Vietnamese daw is creamy and sweet. And creamy and sweet naman siya.
So legit.
Pass naman sa'yo. Pasado.
Hindi, pasado Vietnamese nga si Nico.
Siyempre, dragon fruit.
Ano pa?
Favorite.
Thank you. This is good.
Dami. We just found the perfect chillax place near Payag Suites, and this is yung parang dine-in area ni Kanaway, and nandun lang yung girls. So kami lang today, right now. Yung boys, nag-gym sila. Tapos look at this beautiful freaking view. Beachfront siya, tapos nandun lang sila. Hi! Ganda ng place! Ganda.
Are you a good doggo? Ay, Danabi! Are you a good doggo? Ay, oh my gosh! Hello!
Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive.
Katangnan Bridge is locals and tourists' favorite spot during sunset, and what a better way to end their last night in Siargao than spending it here.
Alive. You mean the sunrise.
Let's go, Coach!
1, 2, 3, I love Siargao!
Okay, who's next? Who's next?
Ala, seryoso. Wait, yung galit.
Ako din.
Ikaw na, Coach.
Ako na?
Ikaw na.
Nanginginig ako eh. Ay, si Jay.
Let's go, Jay!
Quick ko lang. Let's go, na.
Let's go. B, walang iwanan na. Like, when we count 1 to 3, on 3 we jump.
One eternity later.
Ito na yun? Ito pa rin.
Go, girls! 1,
Kailan?
3, 2, go, girls!
Good food, good people.
The next day.
Kami na lang ang natira. All girls.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Usap-usap kunyari. Siswisan. Good.
Stuck in books, on and on. Love is tough, I'm messed up. Is that enough? Is that enough?
We chose to surf here at Jacking Horse to avoid the crowd in the famous Cloud9, and all of our crew instructors here were very, very kind and friendly.
Kuya Warren! Pag ganito yung ano, biwag pa. Yan, pa-forward yung paa. Yan, pag ganyan. Hindi ako marunong mag-balance. Straight mo yun.
Tingnan mo yung dulo ng lobet.
Sige, sandaman eh. Uy! Uy, 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 uy!
You're a balancer.
Mga stranded ng person. Stranded.
Had brunch at Sunday again, though I wasn't really able to film there anymore, then went straight to the airport after.
Hello from board PR and CP2974, bound for Manila.
This is probably my most favorite island trip so far, and with that, see you again soon, Siargao.
What a wonderful world.